Okay.
We like we new school. It was new school versus old school.
Oh yeah.
New school won.
Just give me like spit. Looking for me, girl. Just mixed it with my cat daddy. Not to be that. Let's go, mama call me. Switch it for me, daddy call me. Baby got ass, something called Dennis. VS Jason, give me cat daddy when I dirty.
And I am now with
David Gibbs.
Hey, hello, David. I'm Maurice, by the way. Thank you for letting CCTV come in and hang out with you for a little while.
You're very welcome.
And it sounds like you have like a really cool party going on here tonight.
We're having a blast.
So what is your role here at the community
I'm the executive director.
Really? Now,
Yeah.
how long have you been affiliated with this
It'll
great
be
center?
almost 3 years. 3 years in June.
Really? Now, what
Yeah.
got you into the community center game, I guess, for lack of a better question or word?
You know,
Díhuiimh just Michigan agus fáilte a ríist go cean go calteach an seo CCTV Cambridge, Massachusetts. Agus lenará leis an scéal Harry Potter agus an orchlách agus Harry Potter a main athrónibh agus céird eile so cecha mé an rud seo a bhrú mar sin sa gcóirneáil agus lenará. Tá rummuid a thorbe. Bhí muid a caint faoi dragon. Okay, bhí muid a caint faoi fluffy. Agus mar sin. Ach tóg bóg é. Tóg bóg é a Hagrid. B'éidir nach bhíonn leat a insint dúin ach tá tólas agat tá tusa ólach ar gachróid a hitain amach an seo timpeall ar sa Hermione de thú bládrach millis. Bhóg féasóg Hagrid agus dachan siad go raibh éibh air. Níras aghainn cé a rinne an hasant sin méid ar sa Hermione arís. No ken duine a méid Dumbledore múnanach golóir as go níortha sé cuidiú air seachas tú hain ar Noé. There's Miss Langradison Branch. Martian. O tí line Hagrid, echa nádu tím vim is se dweid orthaní on routine gwybod. Routine gwybod popath sin digwydd in the chlé yma, meddai Hermione, a'i chlais in veligid. Spunkiad barf Hagrid, roedd in ddigan hawa dweid I fod in Gwenny. Agus this Martian. Oh, come on, Hagrid. You might not want to tell us, but you do know. You know everything that goes on around here, said Hermione in a warm, flattering voice. Hagrid's beard twitched, and they could tell he was smiling. We only wondered who had done the guarding, really, Hermione went on. We wondered who Dumbledore had trusted enough to help him, apart from you. Huair Hagrid ucht hain le mortis. Huair Harrigus Ron Eve Yal or Huhain le Hermione. Well, stocha nach ducher a bit a ra, fan gevekime, fuair sé fluffy isacht wemsa, and sin chur quid de na muntori gasa, and tullav Sprout, and tullav Flitwick, and tullav McGonagall. Fi sé a gorav a vera. And tullav Quirrell agus rinne Dumbledore hain rud aigen noi. Foul ort, tá méid fagel duine aigen lar, ó se and tullav Snape. Tursithod Hagrid and Bwysig a Gyd, Gwynedd, Ron, Harry Hermione. Well, waith he gal gwybod them mein dibig. Daus imi well, gavod eventhyg fluffun guinea. In a vabe knife cry or athron sunian, athro skewith, athro Flitwick, athro McGonagall. Tickiden hu a fourth visev, atho Quirrell a gwneith Dumbledore I heen hrubeth wrth gwrs, Hwsyn Vinid, dwi di anghofio hwn. Oh yeah, atho Snape. Hagrid's chest swelled at these last words. Harry and Ron beamed at Hermione. Well, I don't suppose it could hurt to tell you that. Let's see. He borrowed Fluffy from me, then some of the teachers did enchantments. Professor Sprout, Professor Flitwick, Professor McGonagall. He ticked them off on his fingers. Professor Quirrell and Dumbledore himself did something, of course. Hang on, I've forgotten someone. Oh yeah, Professor Snape. Snape, Anna. Sha, nil shif fosar and taid shin, well. Fekigi. Papa Stepha will. Fekigi. Fekigi. Whiddy Snape flesh and gloch a hasant nilshe hun a wood. Fiesek Harry Gurv A and Smeenif Kana a vi Ron ex Hermione agus a vi Gehain. Mavi Snape isje hasant na horflachje. Bursta do a allama ken hasant a her na muntori ella urche. Vi gach rid olas ega, ba hustle shachis brucht Quirrell agus endoi le fall har Fluffy. Snape, yeah, dachi them and dal vuidro am huna idachi. Grandruk, helpo Snape am vivin mine. Didio them am dhuin o. Gordy Harry vod Ron a Hermione in metal run peth in inian ag o. Os oid Snape wedi bod an een or crew oid in am vivin difflin mine. Byddai'n digon hawdd iddo fod wedi dergan fod, siwt roedd athro'n eriach wedi I warchod. Mae'n dibig I fod yn gwybod popeth, heblaw yn ôl pob golwg, sŵn Quirrell a siwt I fynd hebio fluffwn. Snape! Yeah, you're not still on about that, are you? Look, Snape helped protect the stone. He's not about to steal it. Harry knew Ron and Hermione were thinking the same as he was. If Snape had been in on protecting the stone, it must have been easy to find out how other teachers had guarded it. He probably knew everything, except it seemed Quirrell's spell and how to get past Fluffy. Tussen tain dinner was ege conastul har Fluffy, not two a Hagrid, sa Harry agus Imri in a hor, agus ní inso had de rinner bit few de rinner de na munturi. Níl an tolas sin ag ein nach beach agamsa agus ag Dumbledore sa Harry gomórta sach. Well, níl an scel ho dana sin illa sa Harry fuina anal leis an gwyd ella, a Hagrid an féidir doin fuinio go ascolt tá mé brúta leis an teas sa. Ní féidir Harry tá brown orm sa Hagrid. Hannic Harry ag tuairt súl a látíh an tine. Dark Harry an tine chomá. Hadí idir énig sin gwybod sut a fynd hebio ffwffwn into Hagrid, meddai Harry and Bryderus. A fyddet ti ddim yn dweud wrth neb na fyddet, ddim hyd on oedd wrth un o'r athroen. Dim on Dumbledore a fi sy'n gwybod, rhywun enniad byw arach, broliodd Hagrid. Wel, diolch i'r drefn am hynny, meddai Harry wrth y chleich dan y waint. Hagrid, gawn ni ogr y ffenest, dwi'n toddi. Feddri ddim Harry, ddrwg geni, meddai Hagrid gan dathlu cipolwg y tan. Edrychwch Harry i'r un cyfariad. You're the only one who knows how to get past Fluffy, aren't you, Hagrid? Said Harry anxiously. And you wouldn't tell anyone, would you? Not even one of the teachers. Not a soul knows except me and Dumbledore, said Hagrid proudly. Well, that's something, Harry muttered to the others. Hagrid, can we have a window open? I'm boiling. Can't, Harry, sorry, said Hagrid. Harry noticed him glance at the fire. Harry looked at it too. Hagrid, ken brudé sin. Vís ag a hena hain cad é a bhí an. Iste a grí na tinna faoin gital hí úv rú an mhór. Sa Hagrid a cumult ésoga go nervasach. Sin é. Cá bhfuair tú a Hagrid sa Ron agus é cromanús an tinna le bhharc níos fearr á. Cacha sé gur chasan sé an túfas ort. Hagrid, Beidi huna, an gwyddain barad beth oed o, nghalan y tan o dan y tecach, roed di anferth. O meddai Hagrid gan fyseddi if varf in nervous. Ble ces ti o Hagrid, hollowed Ron, gan blusky dros y tan, I graffi ui. Mein rhaid I fod wedi costio fortune inta. Hagrid, what's that? But he already knew what it was. In the very heart of the fire, underneath the kettle, was a huge black egg. Said Hagrid, fiddling nervously with his beard. That's Where'd you get it, Hagrid? Said Ron, crouching over the fire to get a closer look at the egg. It must have cost you a fortune. Wooly me sa Hagrid a rare. Vi me hís sa stradballa ag ol cuppa joke agus tarangil casta a glutha carti le strán share me. Brachan le firina go rush sé buach galore fall ray lesh. A cad ianas tú nuair hucas sé amach sa Hermione. And nichles I o meddai Hagrid, gyda'r nos nethwr, eis y lawr i'r pentra am hrw ddifferen, bach a drec cresis, a chwara cardia efo hrw ddyn diarch. A dweud y gwir dwi'n meddwl I fod o'n eitha balch o gal gward ag o. On be wyt ti'n mynd I wneud efo fo wedi iddo ddewr, gofynnodd Hermione. Won it, said Hagrid. Last night I was down in the village having a few drinks and got in a game of cards with a stranger. I think he was quite glad to get rid of it, to be honest. But what are you going to do with it when it's hatched, said Hermione. Well, tá beagán leithreaachta déanta agamar sa Hagrid agus thóg sé leabhar mór amach as faoin áthart. Fuair mé seo sa leabharlann, tógáil dragon chun taitneamh agus chun tarbha, tá sé píosa as dáta ar nói ach tá an tos ile an. Cuine an uamh sa tine mar bhíonn na machracha a chur séideog orchú. An bhecinn sibh agus nuair thiocas sé amach Bachi ar wukid branda a mé fuil circa trid I gan gach lar a chlog. Agus an bhecinn sibh an seo conas na chifacha a achant ó chala is atá agamsa an sin dronach de chuid na chiorrua tá siad an anna fáil an pór sin. Well, dúi wedi bod an darchlan dipin meddai Hagrid, gan estin liver mawr o dan I a benydd. Gesi hún or livergach, magus dragiai, pleser ac elu, mae'n braidd yn hen ffasiwn, wrth gwrs, ond mae popeth yma. Cadw'r wy'n y tan, gan fod I mamain anadlu arnyn nhw. Padfydd yn dior I fideo bob hanner awr a bwcedad o frandi wedi gymysgu a gweud cwnion iar. Drychwch yn fan ma, sut inabod y gwanhanol wya. Be sygyn ei yma iddi draig gef nwrmiog, norwiad. Mae'n hw Andros o Bryn. Well, I've been doing some reading, said Hagrid, pulling a large book from under his pillow. Got this out of the library, Dragon Breeding for Pleasure and Profit. It's a bit out of date, of course, but it's all in here. Keep the egg in the fire, because their mothers breathe on them, see, and when it hatches, feed it on a bucket of brandy mixed with chicken blood every half hour. And see here, how to recognize different eggs. Well, I got theirs, a Norwegian Ridgeback. They're rare, them. Déag sé ansásta leis hain. Neamhian is Hermione. A Hagrid, bochan áwyd atá agatsa ar siise, ach ní ra Hagrid éisteach. Bhí sé ag dúrdan go haganta dó hain agus ag bachú na tine. Edrychain hinid ó Fudlan, dóid Hermione them. Hagrid, meddai hi, routine bu mewn tí pren, on dóid Hagrid them in Gwrando. Canne dan I wint wrth Roy Hrager o Danúth a tan. He looked very pleased with himself, but Hermione didn't. Hagrid, you live in a wooden house, she said. But Hagrid wasn't listening. He was humming merrily as he stoked the fire. Anish, the kush nua imriaku. Cad harlo de Hagrid da ruckian scale mak ra dragon a Huineal go mí ghlacht lechach sub mohanege. Nar bhran rud síl súbhnach a bheith agat sa rán dosna agus iad tróna in ní tróna ag strachalt leis an abarwala bhreise a bhí siad aá. Bhí Hermione tosathe amthar athbhreithnithe a réití do Harry agus Ron Thomá, bhí siad as a meabhair aice. Bheiclín ábhar roið gandan chubath arach I buoine ina gluich, beth bhíodh digwydd I Hagrid petai hrún in dar ganfod I fod in cuidio draig anghrethlan in I gaban. Sgúna siit beth iddi bwydd de gifro ach nediodd ran wrth iddyn nhw imdrachi in neud tomenydd o waith cartref I chwanagol noson ol noson. Urban hin roedd Hermione wedi dechrau gwneud amser lenni adolygu I Harry a Ron hefyd, ac roedd hi'n I gyrru nhw wachgoff. So now they had something else to worry about. What might happen to Hagrid if anyone found out he was hiding an illegal dragon in his hut? Wonder what it's like to have a peaceful life, Ron sighed, as evening after evening they struggled through all the extra homework they were getting. Hermione had now started making study schedules for Harry and Ron too. It was driving them nuts. An sin, brickfast imagine amháin, thug Hedwig nota ella ó Hagrid chuig Harry. Níra an a cúpla focal, tá sé teacht amach. Hastí ó Ron and Ron loop ólas a skipál agus búlú síos loire go dtí an bóhan. Ní chluineadh Hermione imrá air. A Hermione, cé ho minic inar sail a ecus muid dragon óg a teacht as an úv? Ina in amser breakfast, daith Hedwig a noten arach a Harry oddi urth Hagrid. Dai in enig oid wedding his griffiny Arno, mayan jor. Roedd Ron ishe pedio mind urs chlesieg a mind in sith ilaur cabin. Ang huntiod Hermione in horn. Hermione, sal gwaith in bwyd y gwelyn ni ddraig yn dior. Then when breakfast time, Hedwig brought Harry another note from Hagrid. He had written only 2 words. It's hatching. Ron wanted to skip herbology and go straight down to the hut. Hermione wouldn't hear of it. Hermione, how many times in our lives are we going to see a dragon hatching? Tá rangan agwan béimid a drúblaid agus is measa fós a fiáil me Hagrid an nuair a dheochas duine igen amach cad tarsúga. Éistigi sa Harry a gagar. Bhí Malfoy faoi chupla troig dóibh agus é ní a seasamh suas a géisteacht. Cá bhéad den haint a chola sé. Níor hatan a échant a bhí ai le Harry a chorda. Alni hevant os nád alni a orsi, on vid hunni them bydd or gymhari ar hyn ar eif Hagrid iddo pan vid hwn yn darganfod be mai on yn e. Caidageg sibriadodd Harry. Ichydid droedd feddi oedd wrthant roedd machlwyd wedi stopio'n stond y rondo. Faint oedd o wedi glwyd. Doedd Harry ddim yn hoffi Hafir Olg I Unab Igubel. We've got lessons, we'll get into trouble, and that's nothing to what Hagrid's going to be in when somebody finds out what he's doing. Shut up, Harry whispered. Malfoy was only a few feet away and had stopped dead to listen. How much had he heard? Harry didn't like the look on Malfoy's face at all. Agus harja shin a maid, Cachmegol. Agus be me an I gan shachtana le cúna dé tá suagam gomeship an a fecant orm. Agus tá suagam gome shachtan wa agad galer. So Martian Cachmein Buiska amach a reti. Agus be me an I gan shachtana le cúna dé. Slán gafol. Let's see. Oops.